Donald Trump on Friday said the United States does not rely on the Strait of Hormuz, urging other major economies to take greater responsibility for securing the vital shipping route amid rising tensions with Iran. Speaking to reporters before departing for Palm Beach, Florida, Trump argued that countries such as China, Japan, and South Korea depend far more heavily on the waterway for energy supplies. He suggested these nations should play a more active role in maintaining security in the region. Describing the task as manageable, Trump said safeguarding the route would require coordinated efforts, including naval support and logistical capacity. He maintained that the US could assist but should not bear the burden alone. On the broader conflict, Trump highlighted strong coordination with Israel, stating that both nations share the goal of achieving victory. He also hinted that Israel may be open to ending hostilities in line with US decisions. The US president claimed that recent American operations have significantly weakened Iran's military capabilities, including its naval and air forces. He added that US strikes have intensified, putting sustained pressure on Iranian positions, though he declined to comment on potential plans involving Kharg Island. Trump also criticized NATO, accusing member nations of failing to contribute meaningfully despite benefiting from the strait's energy supplies. He expressed frustration over what he described as a lack of reciprocity, noting that the US has long supported the alliance. In a series of posts on Truth Social, Trump rebuked allies for hesitating to join efforts to counter Iran, warning that their inaction would not be forgotten. He also pointed to rising global oil prices, arguing that reopening the strait could ease pressure on energy markets. As the conflict enters its third week, the continued disruption in the Strait of Hormuz remains a major concern for global trade and energy security.